problem is that right now when it that comes from the
Okay.
that comes from the dishwasher and it flushes up every time the dishwasher drains.
It could be a blocked drain. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If the discharge is being affected from the dishwasher, that means the problem could be further afield. So that means it could be in the drain.
Yeah.
Is
from
this
Ireland?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. A 3-month summer turned into 5 years. Yesterday, I came here 5 years ago. Yesterday.
Oh wow.
So it's just
what part of Ireland are you from?
Kerry. Kerry. Yeah, the southwest. That's an interesting setup. A bit of water here now. It's gonna piss out at me. Nice bit of water. Just wondering. I usually ask customers if they did it or not. It's usually the first line of defense as well, you know, put the Drano in. But just in case, I always usually ask.
Oh, because you're concerned about getting it on you?
Yeah. I'm always apprehensive about it. Stuff will burn you, like.
I haven't used the plunger on it many times because it gets clogged from the stuff that comes out of the dishwasher and plunge it. But.
Okay. And is it a common occurrence, tell me?
Which?
The blocking.
Well, it is because the dishwasher flushes it up through and it bubbles up into the sink, as you can see.
Yeah.
And then it gets clogged and I guess right in the carburetor.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
So I just it's an interesting way of
describing it.
Yeah.
The sensation. Okay. Let's get this off. Now this thing's full of water, so it's a bit heavy.
And there's, everyone's doing plumbing with plastic pipe now, right? Is that
Exactly.
the way it's done?
That's the way it's done now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Got ourselves a couple of surprises.
What?
Starbucks, acorns. Have any squirrels?
No.
No squirrels loose?
Acorns? What the hell?
Was that an avocado seed?
Oh, maybe someone put an avocado under my.
Yeah.
My wife and daughter are really good at breaking things. It's crazy. They constantly break things. Doing mindless things like throwing shit like that down the garbage.
Down there. That's probably what pooched
That's
it.
probably what killed it,
Yeah. Probably kept the motor running and
Yeah.
blew it to Kingdom Come.
Burned it out or something.
Yeah. Classic.
Yeah.
Oh well. Now we're here. Gotta take out that.
So I assume you're not married, right?
Not at all, no. Not at all. Once was enough.
Oh, you were married?
I'm only joking, no.
Oh, okay.
No.
So,
Not ready for that type of stress.
no, it's definitely something.
That sums it up right there.
Yeah.
That response.
Yeah, it's too bad they don't have a rent-to-own program, but
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
yeah.
But then again, the bloody property taxes, that's the killer.
I was talking about the
Oh, the wife. Oh, I'm lacking. Oh, I wasn't sharp enough for you. I wasn't sharp enough for you there, mate. That's a good rent to own. I'm going to use that on the next one. The next customer.
Well, I think that's what Donald Trump did, because the rumor is that
What?
his wife was a high-end escort in New York.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Before he married her, I thought it. But I was a little concerned by mucking with that because it could be a.
Basically West Van, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you could go to.
Polish?
Well, I imagine that Caulfield is probably closer, but you just got that one mall in Caulfield. You don't have a lot of choice.
Oh, Caulfield. Oh, yes.
Yeah, you know, I mean it.
Oh, it is two. It is two. Yeah, oh, now I get it. Yeah, Caulfield. Yeah, yeah.
Oh boy.
So we're plumbed in. Two strainers, new trap, dishwasher Y, faucets right there, faucet right there.